fish have been finicky, let's go with a small bait. You've heard me talk about my skittle?
Yes.
Here's what a skittle is. That little 1/64 ounce jig head right there.
Wow, that's small.
Now the hard thing about the skittle, sometimes, now I just started getting used to putting a split shot on it. I used to just pitch it by itself, but when it's like calm days like this, you can throw it without the split shot. I like to keep about that much distance between mine. Now when it falls down, you'll see it, this is gonna fall first, and then you pull your rod tip up and you'll see this one start swinging down because it's so light. I saw your splash. So there you are coming down. I like to keep my range when I'm fishing, stay 40 feet, because if I'm pitching at 30, I'll at least be able to see it come back. Oh, let me show you this too. So I'm going to show you what it feels like when these finicky fish hit. So turn around. All right, so let me know when you feel the bite.
I feel that.
Okay. All right, now swing your rod back around this way. All right, let me know when you feel the bite. Turn around.
I didn't feel it.
Right. That's what you're going to have to pay attention to. Because here's what it's going to feel like. So you're going to have to work your bait. Let me know when you feel it.
All right, I feel that.
That's when you set the hook. It was real faint though.
Yeah.
All you felt was a little bit of resistance. Set the hook. And then once you know you're in the fish, watch your line because you'll see a twitch. And if you're watching TV, you'll miss it. But live scope is good when you're watching it, but it's bad when you're watching it and the fish are finicky. You'll miss a bunch of fish watching TV. Let me get mine out, huh? So you see, no, you're good. You're seeing your splash when you land, right?
Yeah.
All right. So what we'll do, we'll hit here a couple times. Here, over there.
24.
Now I always throw out past it, and then I'll bring my bait back by lifting the rod tip, let it down, then I'll get my slack out. A minute. Come on, Cletus, come on. I like the 34.
You got 32.
You coming in there right behind me. Oh, there we go. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Where you going, baby? Come on here. You keeping fish today?
Yes, sir.
There we go.
Under that seat there is the live well. I just gotta.
Where?
Yeah, you remember the old Charlie Brown commercial where he goes trick-or-treating?
Uh-huh.
Everybody else is showing all the goodies they get.
All I got is a rock.
I got a rock. That's me, man.
You know, on the video, I'm gonna have to go skirt.
Yeah, I know. One man got the shoes.
Oh yeah, well hey. Come on. Ah, Chris, I just missed the fish. Ooh, I just missed the fish. Set the hook next time. How about that? Oh, they dropping down on us. Woo! There you go. The good one.
Get ready for a fish fry.
Okay. That how you normally cook them? Just fry them?
Yeah.
Man, this is my first. There you are. Oh yeah. Give him some camera love.
All right.
Now that one probably felt a thump. Cause I seen when it came up and hit you, did she thump you?
I felt it at first. And it stopped, and then I felt it again, so that's when I gave it. I'll keep it.
Normally cook them. Cook these crappie in bacon grease. Oh my God.
Really?
Thinking about bacon grease. Got emotionally involved right there. Oh, they took my bait.
They took everything.
Yeah, they snapped me off.
I believe you might have hit that tree.
Mm-mm. Tree don't pull.
There's bacon there. And I eat those things for lunch, baked.
Ooh, that's another good fish. She gonna be a Shirley qualifier.
Yeah, might be.
I told a buddy of mine, I said, man, I'm a much better guide than I am a net man. Because I said, he's on fire. Ooh. I want to take you to another tree, man, but you won't stop catching fish.
Well, if they bite and they bite.
Yep. Yep. That's the point, ain't it?
What size hook did you say this was? Weight?
1/64 ounce weight.
164.
Yep.
Yeah, hold that
She ain't the biggest, but she gonna fry up nice.
A little bitty one. They're still good to eat.
She's 10 inches, ain't she? 10 to get in. That's what we normally do. Ooh. Ooh. Hey man, can you tell me how to catch some fish? How you catch them?
I got candy. I didn't get a rock this time.
Yeah, you got the good candy.
Yourself.
Hey man,
Let me do it.
it ain't on purpose. I figure, hey, your back gonna get tired a little bit. You carry me. How you catch this fish? I just wanted to get the skunk off the boat. That's all. What in the heck? See, now something ain't right. If you get decent fish, you gonna keep. I should have set my bait up like yours.
You set me up right.
I don't know how to catch fish, man. I don't know what I'm doing. Say, this is what it is. This is your boat. When I'm on my boat, I say, hey, man, I always want, I'm in every one of my videos catching fish. I don't need more videos of me. I need videos of somebody else catching. Oh, you bastard. There you go. That's that weight on you. That's that weight on you. You come back to her. You come back to her. She come back to her. She ain't big, but she won. You keeping this? Sure. Right. While I'm out the water, let me go and put my split shot on there. Quit complaining about it and do something about it. How about that? What do you say? What do you say? Gotcha, girl. She ain't the biggest, but she won too. She gonna make 10 inches. Yep, she gonna make 10 inches. And that's the one thing about my videos. It's hard to get a video. Hard to get a video. Lego pony without all that background noise.
All the landscaping.
Here we go. I got a whole new supply of Skittles from CMI. get me too. She didn't even wait for me to get down there. She didn't even wait for me to get down there. I'm up to get her. At least I know how to catch one. I did my part. I'm gonna catch one on every spot that we get. Let you catch the other 7. That just show you that hey, they there. I might not be able to catch the second through 50, but I'll catch one. That's a big Shirley too, folks. That's a big Shirley. That live well look pretty good. You doing all right? That one right there gave me a thump. Come here. Oh, Lord. Yes, sir. I'm going to try to lift her with this 4-pound test. Oh, come here, girl.
Dang, this is a slab.
Here we go. Woo!
How big is that one?
Probably 14 inches. Yeah. And she's gonna make 14 easy. She might be 13 and a half, 14. We'll measure. Ooh-wee. Right at 14 inches. Hey, baby. They like, baby. They like you. You got what? Deep diving crankbaits for what? Hybrid?
Bass.
You got the umbrellas. And you say you fishing? No, man. See, here's. You ever heard the saying? If you chase 2 rabbits, you won't catch one. You chase 2 rabbits. You gonna go crappie fishing? Bring your crappie gear. You don't need bass gear if you crappie fishing.
What's the problem with having too much weight on this?
I think with too much weight, if you got finicky fish, they ain't gonna move to get it. You're gonna zoom right by them. Because they're not, these fish here, there are a few of them that are chasing you and hitting. They just hit you when you're sitting there. So if you zoom by them, you're not gonna sit there very long. There you go. Yeah, baby. Not bad, too. Come here, baby. I had to make sure I get me some. I had to be on the video at some point. Right?
Yeah. Pass me.
I have a tendency to act like I don't have any more baits. I don't like to swap out. Golly. Tried to let her get away. I tried to let her get away, but she wouldn't go nowhere. I want to be with you. That's what she said. I tried to let her get away twice. Come here, girl. Hey, baby. I ain't going nowhere. I got it. Fish, good fish right here. Yep. I was saying I got a good one. It is a good fish, but I'm talking about my wife.
I thought that's what you meant, and I looked up and saw your pole bent over, and I was like, well.
You got one more. She's small. If you count, I got the last 15.
I ain't counting. But I did notice that. I started off
courtesy.
Yeah.
Trying to be courteous on your boat. Till you started talking. Always like that.
That's about what it turned. That's a good shot.
Yep. Yep, I was scared to flip it. I was scared to flip you, baby. You hooked good. She wasn't going nowhere. She hooked in the hard part of her mouth. Oh, wait. I see this as a good sandwich. I can see tartar sauce and hot sauce on it right now on some bread. And it's next to some hush puppies or some fries. Eat those, please, sir. Well, it's been a while since we caught one, but
Yep.
catch four more of these. She was worth the wait. Let's take a look at this live well, man. You got some fish in this live well.
I'm gonna be busy.
Huh?
I'm gonna be busy.
Yeah, you are gonna be busy.
How many of those you want?
I don't want any. I'm good.
Okay.
All right, YouTube, that is gonna do it for another episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. We put some hurting on these big Shirleys today. Big Shirleys.
Got a cooler full.
Got a cooler full. Thanks, Greg, for taking me out.
Thank you.
What you got to say, man? What you got to say?
Man, I had the greatest time. I learned so much from you. I learned more in the first 20 minutes than I have ever.
Oh man.
So y'all come fishing with Drysdale.
Oh man, I appreciate that.
Chris will hook you up.
I appreciate that, but they don't say much about how much of a fisherman he is.
That's true.
So folks, yeah, we did a little bit of a tutorial this morning. Got the man set up. Now, you can see he was killing them in the beginning, but then he started talking, and I had to kind of catch a couple fish.
As soon as I said something about me catching more than him, I stopped catching fish, and they all went to him. So,
hey man, I
It's
appreciate
good.
you having me out. Always a blast. So folks, as always, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches this channel, everybody who hits that subscribe button, and everybody who leaves these comments. I try my best to respond to each of my comments. If I don't do anything but give you a thumbs up, but if I miss one, charge it to my head, folks, not to my heart. To my subscribers, you already know what it is. My long-term subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support of this channel. He's one of my subscribers.
I am. I watch his videos every time he posts them.
Appreciate you, man. And to my new subscribers, welcome to the Drysdale family. And if you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you came across my channel, or if somebody recommended this channel to you, and you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with. Greg,
Big ones.
catching more of these evil but sure enough tasty crappie. So until the next time, folks, remember, the best days to go fishing are the ones that end in Y. Drysdale out.
See ya.